Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and using the new TOBE GLAM Polygel kit by TOBE GLAM. I am so excited and very thankful that I received this product to review for you guys. So let's go ahead and see everything that is included. First of all, as you can see, it comes with a set of instructions in this cute little envelope, and there's every step you're going to need to follow as a beginner. After that, you get a base coat as well as a top coat, which are always super useful in every polygel set. You also get a dual tip brush. On the one side it has a brush, on the other side it has a picker tool so that you can take your polygel out of the tubes easily. You get a 100-180 grid nail file, which is once again super useful, and 4 of these beautiful polygel colors, which I'm going to show you, and then we're gonna go ahead and lift that little white part up as there's more things below. So the first color is called BU, and it is clear and it has this beautiful yellowish reflective glitter. Then you have Make My Day, which is another clear shade, but it's like a clear pink jelly color with similar kind of glitter as the previous one. Then we have Mood, which is a gorgeous nude shade. I absolutely love this one. I think they really nailed it. And last but not least, we have this beautiful, stunning color, which is kind of like an amethyst color. It has this beautiful pink reflective glitter in it. Really like it. So after all of the polygels, we're gonna go ahead and lift that compartment, and underneath you get a beautiful UV lamp, which is super useful in a beginner polygel kit because it literally gives you everything you will need in order to do these nails. As you can see, it's really cool. It has 6 small LED lights and it's charged by USB, so you can just plug it into your laptop and use it. And they also give you quite a few plastic forms, and it's the first time I see these stiletto forms in a polygel kit, which are my personal favorite. And they don't have the super curvy ones either. The other ones they have are the flat ones, which are awesome. So yeah, that's everything that's included in the kit. I'm gonna go ahead and pick out all of my sizes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the nail look. So exciting. So of course, the very first thing I'm going to be doing is applying a layer of base coat to all of my nails. You see that they're shiny already. I have applied a peel of base coat to make removal easier for me later. So yeah, just go ahead and prep your natural nails and apply some base coat. My nails are damaged a little bit, you can see in some points, so just ignore that. It's just because I've been filming a lot of videos lately. And after that is done, I took all of the right sizes for the stiletto dual forms, and I started out with the nude pink polygel shade, adding it at the cuticle area and then flaring it upwards to create an ombre effect and just smoothing it in place. And then for the top part of this nail, I decided to use the first clear glitter, and it's so beautiful and so reflective. I'm so happy with how this turned out. Their clear is actually really good quality, so I love that. And yeah, then I went ahead and I just placed it on my nail, and I moved on to the next nail, which I used this pink reflective glitter for it, and I just did a full cover tip. I just filled the entire dual form completely, smoothed it out in the back, and then I went ahead and I pressed it on my nail until it adhered properly, cured it in the lamp, and then on to the next nail. I wanted a full cover nail with this first clear color because I just thought it was so cool with all the glitters inside. So yeah, I went ahead and I did one nail with just that. That also came out super nice. These cured really well as well. I just love these. You should definitely give this polygel a try. They're really nice. And then for the pointer finger, I did the same ombre design that I did on the pinky, and the only thing I changed is I used that amethyst color. I wanted to try all of them, and it didn't 100% match, so I just added a bunch of different decorations later on in like pink shades to kind of make up for it and make it blend in. So I think the end result was pretty okay. So yeah, for the thumb, I used that pink reflective glitter polygel once again, and after that is done, we're gonna go ahead and remove the dual forms. You need to cure this in the lamp for at least 30 seconds, but usually clear polygels are cured a lot faster than ones with color. So yeah, really like that. The dual forms came out a little bit difficult just because I had filled them to the brim, so they didn't really have space to pop off. So I just used my nail a little bit and just loosened them, and they came off really easily after that. So yeah, after all of this is done, we're gonna go ahead and do some filing. And I wanted to show you how shiny they are already, but wait until the base coat. Like, oh my gosh, you're gonna love it. So yeah, when it comes to filing, I'm just fixing the cuticle area a little bit and filing the sides to make sure that they're smooth and there's no product running anywhere or flooding my cuticles too much. I did this for all of my nails. And then I went ahead and I picked out some decorations. Here are the nails after filing and buffing, and we're gonna go in with a layer of base coat. And look at those sparkles. Oh my gosh, they look beautiful. I'm obsessed. Another product that I wanted to try today and use with you guys is their new liner gel series. And I went off with this first white one. I wanted to create kind of like a French line. I saw on Instagram, I don't remember who I saw it from, but they had these cute little teddy bear nails on like a picnic background. So this is kind of what I wanted to emulate, that, you know, picnic, not table, how is it, the tablecloth that they have with little stripes. I cannot for the life of me remember how it's called in English, but I think you will understand what I mean when I'm done painting these. So yeah, I took another one of their nude shades, and all of these liner gels are like pink and light pink shades. There's a silver and a white one as well, which is really cool. So yeah, I went ahead and I made that. Then I added a little frill on the bottom just to give it that like extra look of it being a tablecloth, you know, for a picnic and stuff. And then I just took the silver liner, which is really, really nice and thin, and I added a few lines. I also repeated the same design for the thumb, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think for the first try that I ever did this, it's kind of like cute. So yeah. After that, I went ahead and I took a Rhinestone Glue. You can use a clear polygel and top coat if you want to do this, but you know, whatever you have at hand is fine. And I used all of these tiny little pearls to essentially outline the whole nail with these small pearls. And I did this for the pointer finger, and I also did this for the pinky. I don't know, I just really like this as an idea. The little rhinestones are so small and so delicate, and I got these from Shein, I believe. So yeah, they're really, really cute, and I thought that this would match really well with the whole aesthetic that I was going for. And then I picked out this little 3D heart. I also added a pink bow right below it, and I added some more of these pearls around the other nails, and this cute little teddy bear. Oh my gosh, so many decorations, I just love them. And I added a layer of top coat to all of the nails to seal in the design and make sure that the rhinestones are not gonna go anywhere. And I also added a little bit on top of the bear so it doesn't lose this 3D shine effect it has going on. And after securing everything in place, I cured it in the lamp for 30 seconds, and I really liked their top coat as well. Of course, we cannot forget to add some cuticle oil to nourish our cuticles, and this is very important, and especially after you've filed near your cuticle area, it's definitely going to need it. And here is the finished look. I really enjoyed playing with this beautiful polygel kit by TOBE GLAM. So the BU Big Glam message was received. I glammed these so much, they're full of glitter. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and a comment telling me what you thought, and subscribe for more videos every single week. And I will make sure to leave my discount code and a link to everything that I used in the video in the description down below. If you have any questions or want to request any future videos, please leave a comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, that's all. I will see you guys on my next video. Have a great day. Bye!